Are you searching for best digital caliper tool in 2023? Hey guys, I am Ratul Khan. I have been working on AliExpress products for about 3 years. Hopefully, my experience and guidelines will help you best product choice. Today I am going to reviews top 5 best digital caliper tool in 2023. Number 1, SHAHE New Hardened Stainless Steel Digital Caliper. Product details: precise measurement, measuring range 0-150/200/300 mm, accuracy ±0.03/±0.03/±0.04 mm, resolution 0.01 mm, high accuracy. Caliper characteristic: hardened stainless steel main scale and measuring jaws, IP54 waterproof, large LCD for easy reading, glass fixed grid, stable and durable, knurled locking screw for more convenient measurement, sturdy package box, caliper function auto off after 5 minutes. Number 2, SHAHE Digital Caliper Messschieber Caliper. SHAHE Hardened Stainless Steel 0-150 mm Digital Caliper Messschieber Caliper Electronic Vernier Micrometro. Hardened stainless steel main scale and measuring jaws, IP54 waterproof, large LCD for easy reading, glass fixed grid, stable and durable, knurled locking screw for more convenient measurement, sturdy package box. Number 3, Digital Metal Caliper Stainless Steel Vernier Calipers. The Digital Metal Caliper Stainless Steel Vernier Calipers Electronic Micrometer Ruler Depth Measuring Tool Gauge Instrument. Number 4, FUJIWARA Digital Display Stainless Steel Calipers. Product information: strong and sturdy. The digital display caliper is made of high-quality stainless steel material, which is strong and durable. It can be used for a long time. LCD display: the digital display of the caliper is equipped with an LCD display, which allows you to see the data clearly and easily. Energy efficient: this caliper is designed to be energy efficient and saves energy. It has a built-in fuse, WH. Number 5, SHAHE Dial Caliper Dial Vernier Caliper. Precise measurement, measuring range 0-150 mm/0-200 mm, accuracy ±0.02 mm per ±0.03 mm, resolution 0.01 mm, application: higher quality stainless steel dial caliper. Home DIY and professional use are both highly recommended. Featured double shock proof design, fine polished solid hardened stainless steel supports smooth sliding and accurate result. Measurement method: 4-way measurements, inside, outside, depth, and step. Features end. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and stay with us.